My country cousin. All right, tonight we heard some frogs up here at the pond, and we thought we might ease up there and see if we could gig us a few. This is our crowd here, and we're going to go up to the pond, and if we could catch some frogs, we'll show you how to cook them. Well, guys, we're up here looking around, and all we hear is tree frogs, so we're going to check out another pond. All right, everybody, let's go.
Well, here we are, walking through the woods.
We're in a path. Come on.
We're in a path. Lori's all the way over there.
Hear those frogs, though?
You hear them. We're gonna.
Oh! I heard
That was a huge spider.
Oh, I heard a buzzing bee or something.
Bonnie, give us a video.
I got it. Whoop, gigs in my face.
Yeah, watch out.
No, you're good.
He used to hand me the gigs and ran ahead.
You didn't want to mess along with the excitement.
Take it slow.
Matt, get down here. Matt gets first gig. He ain't never done it. Come on, Matt. Okay, boys, so we're here in the woods, and we're looking to get a bullfrog in our spotlight. When you get the spotlight on them, they don't move. So Kara's got us one spotted, and since it's Matt's first time, we've got him out here, and he's going to try to reach out there with his 12-foot bamboo pole and a little 4-prong gig on it and see if he can catch us a frog. If he can, we're going to eat it for dinner.
Who's got the bag?
I got the bag right here, Matt. Mason will do it.
Let me see it.
You got him?
You got him good.
No.
Here you go, Mace. Baggy.
Big guy.
Boy, those are big.
That's not a very big guy.
Good job, Matt.
Look
Put
at
him
this
in the
In
bag.
the weeds. Back
Can't
here.
get his gig around.
You got him?
You better hold on to that bag now. It's going to be hopping.
Yeah.
Listen to them up there.
So what we're doing now is we're going along the edge of the pond. We've all got our spotlights out looking for a frog. Whenever we get one in our sights, we're going to get somebody to come on over and gig it for us.
I got one right here. Oh, it's right here on the bank.
Oh, he's right on your toes.
Yeah, don't give
He
him a
flew off behind you there.
Right there, right there.
Oh, baby. Shit.
Come on, Matt. You got it, buddy. Get us a big one.
You okay?
We got one away in the water.
Things, they are so fast.
We should have grabbed like 3 bags.
We needed a bucket.
Speaking of a bucket, there's a
Let's see
bucket
if we can
right
get it
there.
back. Right here he is. Matt.
Oh my God, Lori! What is
Matt,
wrong with
Somebody
you?
else take the bucket.
Oh, I missed him.
Hey, there's another one right Mom, there's one right there.
He's right there.
Matt, here's one.
To the right.
I got one right here, Matt.
You got one right.
See it in the light?
That one's pretty far.
It's pretty little, though. Mine's little. I'm going to let him go.
We want a big one.
Who's got the other gig?
That's a big guy.
Me.
Come here. Look. I got him wide. I can show him for you if you. There you go. Find him. Well, you want to
Got him.
You see right there?
Oh, that's a good one.
He's big.
You're a good one.
Yeah, he's big.
Here, I'll get it. Oh, I'm not getting it off. I'll get it off. I'm gonna get it off. I haven't got to that one.
Okay.
Get the next frog.
You got him, buddy? I got him.
Pull my frog.
There's another
Can I get one?
I
wanna get-
Is he still moving?
It's no.
We kind of already,
Okay, try it.
we already
There you
jumped
go.
over there over here,
You
though.
got a bag? You got a
Bag.
bag? Let's go to him, walking up over here.
Oh, dang.
Man.
That was close, though. It's all right.
I'm a gigger. I'm a gig holder.
What is that?
Yeah,
I gigged it. I gigged it.
you did.
Yeah.
What'd you do?
I gigged it.
Good job.
I gigged You got it?
Stuck on bottom. Oh, shit.
I don't know if I got him or not. I did.
You did, he's on there.
He's on. He's on, Mace.
Oh,
Wow,
he's huge.
Look at that.
Look at
That's the biggest one tonight. He's on. Go, me and Mason. There it
Here,
is.
take a picture.
There she is.
There she is.
All right.
Okay guys, you saw us last night. We went frog gigging. We had a really good time. I think we stayed out there 2 or maybe 3 hours. We came home with a bag full of frogs. We're just gonna leave that to your imagination. You understand what's in there. Right, here's what we've got. Kara's got started. We've got us a frog leg here, and we've got us a frog leg here, and now she's gonna show you how to peel the skin off. You can use a needle nose or you can use this plier here. She says sometimes when they're loose like that, you can use your fingers. But we're gonna skin them and get them peeled up, and then we're going to cook them for dinner. So Kara, show them how to do it. Just like that. Show them where you cut it. And cut it just like that. And then that's going to go into the scraps, and the frog legs are going to go into our dinner bucket. And we'll get back to that in just a minute. Okay, so this is Easton. He's 11 years old. He's going to show you how you skin a frog leg right here. He's done it a couple of times, and he feels like a professional. Show him what you do, bub. Sometimes you got to take a little tool and get it on off.
There you go.
Won't pull off.
There you go.
There you go.
There you
Now
go.
cut it off. And then he gets it down to where the feet is, and you just cut the skin right off. Yep, show him what you do. And there he is. And here's what we got so far. Show him. We're going to give you a count in just a minute. Okay, guys, we're back. We got 25 frogs is what we decided that we come up with. We counted them. Now what we've done is we've skinned them and we've cleaned them and we've showed you that. Now we're going to let them soak in salt water overnight. Tomorrow we'll cook them, and then you'll get to see that. Thanks, Kara. Okay, so we're getting started tonight. You guys saw us go frog gigging. We caught us some frogs. We actually came up with 25 is what we decided. This boy right here, you seen him last night. He skinned us a good frog leg, and we're going to show you right now. Kara's over here cooking them, and that's what we've got going on. This is our crowd this evening. You see Nick. Here's the frog legs. Kara's got a cast iron skillet, and we are using lard. I know, it's from the hog that we killed. We say that every time, but it's true. Here's what she's got going on. This is what we're going to have. And then we're also making a little bit of corn. And Kara, what did you use to season it?
The frog legs. Right there is my selection.
Right here is what she went with. Pretty simple. We didn't get carried away. And yeah, we're going to eat them for dinner, and we'll see y'all after a while. Thanks. Alright guys, we're back. We had a frog leg dinner. We fried all the frog legs. Right here is Kara fried them up. And these children over here, they're eating them. We're having a good dinner. Some folks likes to call it field to the table. We're going to call it pond to the table. But we did have a big pond dinner tonight. We eat frog legs. We eat corn from the garden. I made a few noodles. But there it is. That's what we had tonight. Thank you. Boys, how's the frog legs?
Good.
Good.
Everybody likes them? Nick?
Good.
This is my country cousin, frog legs. There you go. Here's his look on Mason.
Can you see that bone?
Hey.
We're almost there.
Oh yeah, I see it. See it, Matt? Straight down. Hang on, wait, hold still, Jakey.
In the trees.
You got him. I think you got him.
Oh,
No, they got him.
really?
It's fast, dude.
Dude, they are fast.
That gut now. Right here. Right there. Right side.
I can't see nothing, boys.
Oh, yeah,
Get
right
back,
there.
boys.
Right there. I know, that's the one I'm talking about.
Boy, he got away from you again, man.
What is that?
Hey, and he's sick.
I know. Where's he at?
Straight down. Spot on, right there. Mason shining.
Oh, I
I
see
got
him.
him. I see him. I see him.
Wait, he's in
You
right
know that.
He's looking right.
Back up a little bit.
Back up. Better not get in there.
I'm gonna have to put him
Come
on
straight
there.
down. Yeah, I'd come straight down on him, something like that.
I got him too.
Oh, I missed it.
Oh, he stayed still even and gave you another try.
He did a backflip.